If you're tired of a persistent cough that doesn't go away, then you are in the right place. Today we will share the top 6 home remedies to cure chronic coughs and provide instant relief. So let's get started. In the 6th position of our list is stay hydrated with warm soups. Warm fluids like soups and broths are not just comforting, they are incredibly effective in soothing a sore throat and reducing cough. They help keep you hydrated, loosen mucus, and provide essential nutrients to boost your immune system. Chicken soup isn't just an old wives' tale. It's scientifically proven to help reduce symptoms of upper respiratory tract infections. The amino acids released from chicken during cooking can thin mucus in the lungs, helping you breathe easier. Plus, the warm steam from the soup aids in nasal decongestion. But if you are a vegetarian, don't worry. You have plenty of delicious and effective options. A warm vegetable broth made from onions, garlics, carrots, celery, and herbs can be incredibly soothing. Garlics and onions have natural antimicrobial properties that help fight infections. You can also try lentil or bean soup, miso soup, and herbal soups made with ingredients like shiitake, seaweed, and root vegetables, which can strengthen your body's defenses against illness. Next in our list is saltwater gargle. A simple saltwater gargle can work wonders. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle for 30 seconds, then spit it out. This helps reduce throat irritation and loosen mucus. Now repeat this process 3 times a day. Next, you can try turmeric milk. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper into warm glass of milk. Drink this golden milk before bedtime to reduce cough and promote better sleep. Steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil is a great choice to reduce the chronic cough. Steam inhalation helps loosen mucus and relieves congestion. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to hot water. Inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. This not only reduces coughing but also helps you breathe easier. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times daily. Next in our list is ginger tea. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It can relax the airway membranes, reducing coughing. Slice fresh ginger and boil it in water for 10 minutes. Strain, add a bit of honey and enjoy your ginger tea up to 3 times a day. Now before going to our top recommendation, let's see what other measures you can take to reduce the cough and get relief. Try to reduce exposure to anything that triggers your cough, such as tobacco smoke, dust, or other pollutants. Dry air can irritate your throat and respiratory tract, leading to increased coughing. You can use a cool mist humidifier to reduce the irritation. Use extra pillows at night to raise your head and upper body. When you lie flat, the mucus from your nose can pool and irritate your throat. By raising your head and upper body, gravity helps prevent mucus from pooling in the back of the throat. Practice breathing exercises. It can help manage coughing by improving lung function and reducing irritation. Avoid cold foods and drinks. Cold substances can trigger coughing, so instead opt for warm options. Now, according to most health sources, one of the best home remedies for chronic cough is honey and warm water. Honey isn't just delicious, it's natural cough suppressant. Mix 2 teaspoons of raw honey into warm glass of water or herbal tea. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C. Sip this soothing drink twice a day to ease your cough and soothe your throat. But here you should remember one thing. Never give honey to a child under 1 year old. It can cause a rare complication called infant botulism or floppy baby syndrome. It is due to ingestion of a bacterial toxin which can be present in honey. It is harmless to the older kids and adults. So here are the 6 simple and effective home remedies for a sore throat. Give them a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.